Good morning everybody, welcome back. Today is Monday, July 18. Right now is 7:35. I got up around 7 o'clock, got ready, and now I'm gonna eat breakfast and then heading to the office. Just want to say a quick hello and welcome to the vlog. Let's Wow, for real?
Yeah, and then you can always tell by how much.
Today is Friday. I mean, no need to say July 19. Right now is 7:06. I am trying to get myself out of bed and then get ready for work. Let's the day begin. I guess doesn't feel like it wants to wake up early. Good morning, my child. Did you sleep well? Come on, let's go. I never get out of bed this late, but today I don't feel like I want to go to work or start working at all. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Good morning, my choppy chick. Good morning. Oh, come here. Come here. Come Come here, Mama. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're so lazy. Good morning. Aww. Let's go. Ready? Let's go for the day. You ready for the day? Okay.
Yeah, I'd like to see the baby. So what is yours? Mine's a peach rosé. Hey, I'm so over the paper straws.
I know. Come on, I don't know. They're both really good. I don't care for
No, like you I don't care.
So it is a little bit over 11:30. I am still working on the project. I have a ton of work to do, but then the technology decided to break down on me. So I have to wait until it get back on. You're just so frustrated when you have tons of work to do, but then you have technical issue as well. So this is my lunch. Hello everybody, it is currently a little bit over 5:30. I just got off work. I probably gonna walk Pofu, take him out to stretch his leg. Pofu? Do you want to go walkie walkie? Yes? You wanna go walkie walkie? Yes? Okay, let's go. Hello everybody, it is 8 o'clock on a Friday evening. I got off work around 7:30. Just got home. Jane going to make something to eat real quick because I haven't been eating all day. I think I had breakfast and then I didn't take lunch, so I'm starving. Alright, let's go along with me to see what I'm making. If you can see my choppy kid, he's just laying there.
Khoan nghĩ tới anh không phải là không tính sau này mới tính thôi.
Chị cười hôm nay có số quá vừa ăn ghê á.
Dạ cậu là khách.
Good morning everybody. Today is Saturday. I woke up around 7:30. I lay in bed, play on my phone for a little bit, and then I go get ready. First, I'm gonna take Pofu to walkie walkie. Okay, let's go. Let's go walkie walkie. I am currently right in front of FedEx. I'm about to go in and return my boyfriend's laptop. Probably I'm heading to Ikea. Oh, actually, I gotta heading to my company where I interned and returned my badge. Apparently, I forgot to return my employee badge on the last day I was there. It has been like 3 months since I left, and now they just contact me and said that I need it back, so I have to drop it off. I guess it's the day for running errands. Hello everybody, it is currently a little bit over 11:30. I just dropped off my badge at my internship. I didn't know what to do, so I decided to stop by Ikea to walk around, and then probably gonna head home after that.